Hi, I'm Ikra Khan from Modern Plastic India, and today we are celebrating our 26th of anniversary of Modern Plastic India, and we have Mr. Tushar from FiveStar Brass. Sir, tell me something about your company's journey.
So we are coming from the Jamnagar, and our company is established 41 years ago, and it is established by the Dhanjibhai Donga, and we have pioneers to manufacture the brass inserts, valves, union, nipples, etc. We also manufacture the plated component part, which is running in the household applications, and we have a very much wide varieties of the applications in the brass products. We manufactured from the scrap to finished products. So this is our all about our company.
Any new product for this event, for this exhibition?
So we had inserts of the all varieties from 4 mm to the 4-inch brass, and the largest part is about 1.5 kg of the brass is established in this stall, and we had also chrome plated component inside the our stall.
And how long you have been in this industry?
It is 41 years ago.
41
Yes,
years.
yes.
And who's the co-founder of your company?
Co-founder is the Dhanjibhai Donga.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
And congratulations for the 26 years of the completion of the Blast India.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much, sir.
Thank you.
Wishing your company a great
Okay.
success. Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.